everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. Today I have a TrollBeads unboxing that I want to share with all of you, and I have a new catalog as well that I was sent. So this collection, they just released their spring collection. They're calling it the Carpe Diem collection, and it's so absolutely gorgeous. It was so hard to pick just a few beads in the beginning to buy first, but I'm really excited that they're doing these catalogs too, because I'd heard that they are not going to be doing these anymore. And so I love these catalogs, and I'm very happy that they decided to do more. So you see some old beads, some new beads, and they have put them together in designs, and I love that. And then it gives you a list. Oh, these are all their designers. And so it gives you a list of some of the beads that they have in their collection. These are some of the new ones. This is the club bead and some new beads that are part of the Carpe Diem collection. And then they also show you some bracelet designs. Oh, look at this fantasy necklace. It's just so stunning. And here is a picture of a model wearing it. So yeah, I love going through these, and I'm very excited that they did another version of it like this year. And so yeah, I'm going to really enjoy looking through this. But here is my package, and this time, since it's February, it is in this little baggie with all these hearts on it. I do see a card in here and my package. So let's see. Oh, it's double. So let me open this. Oh, here. I was trying to see which strings to pull. But let's open this up and see what is in here. As I said, there is a card. I'm going to read that offline. And look at this. This is my box with my beads. Really pretty. And look at this little pouch. It's in the shape of a heart. It's red, and it has some candy in here. This is so cute. Thank you so much. I bought my stuff from TrollBeads Partridge Creek, and I always appreciate their packaging, and it's just amazing. So here is my box with my beads in it. I think these two go together. They have double twined it. Okay, let me see. Let me open this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here you go. Here is my box, as always, wrapped in beautiful tissue paper, and this time I see they've done green and yellow, and that gives it a really pretty color to the package itself. Open the box, and here it is. And I'm so excited to see these in person, because photographs, I'm sure, do not do it justice. And it's a very cloudy day today, so it's not very bright, but I'm hoping that we'll be able to see the beauty of these gorgeous beads anyways. Look at all of these. You can see that I really concentrated on the glass beads. So I did end up ordering one kit. They released two kits with this collection. One is the faceted kit, which I did, and then there's also a smooth glass kit, or the non-faceted kit. And so let me take these off the ribbon, out of the box, and we'll look at each bead. As I mentioned, I did pick up this whole faceted kit. This is called the Waterstones kit, and it's so beautiful, you guys. It's even more beautiful in person than on camera, and it's just, I could not resist this kit. I knew as soon as I saw photographs, I was like, I definitely need this whole kit. And they did have kit pricing with this, and what that means is this kit has these 6 glass beads, and each of these faceted glass beads is $61. But as a kit price, you buy 5 essentially, and you get 1 for free. So I did pay $305 for the whole thing. So you do get a bead free, and since I knew I wanted this whole kit, it was a no-brainer to get it with kit pricing, because you do end up saving a little bit. So let's look at each bead individually. This first bead here, this is called the Moss Waterstone, and this one has shades of green in there. And when I was looking at this bead, I saw a ton of variation in this one. There's a few different greens running through this one. The one I got mostly has this kind of lighter green on one side and a more olivey green on the other side. In the middle, you do see, where the two greens mix, you see like a third green color. I saw some specimens of this bead that had more of a very, very light green in the center, even lines of white, and those looked beautiful too. I just was drawn to this particular one. And this one, it's just so pretty, and it really looks like it's a gemstone and not a glass bead. And so you can see on the core, you see that creaminess there at the core, and then you see that green kind of radiating outwards towards the from the core. And then on the other side, you see that creamy base again, and then you have that olive color, and then you do see the different greens in here as well. So this is a kind of an opaque bead, I want to say. And I'm going to try, when the sun comes out, I'm going to try and take like a small clip or a photograph of these in the sun and kind of insert it here in the end, and hopefully you'll be able to see the colors and how it shines in the sun as well. But even with a cloudy day, this one is a gorgeous bead. So this is the Moss Waterstone. This is called the Lagoon Waterstone, and this one has a lot of blue in here, and then you see that the edges are more blue, and then in the center there's like hints of green in here as well. So again, a lot of variation in this particular bead as well. There were a few that had a lot more green than blue in here. I went with one that had more blue just because I had the Moss Waterstone for the green. And so look at this one again. So you can see at the core, you have that kind of bright blue that radiates outwards, and then it goes into this green, mixes up. You can see the green and the blue mixing in the center. And then on the other side of the core, you have that blue again. So again, a beautiful bead. And as I said, a lot of variation in this as well. So this is the Lagoon Waterstone. This is called the Willow Waterstone, and this has yellows and greens and browns with a little bit of like cream thrown in. And this is gorgeous, very earthy. I think this will go beautifully with my agates, or actually all of these will go beautifully with my troll agates from a few years ago, or even the TrollBeads Day beads from a couple of years ago. They were faceted with a lot of different colors. I'm forgetting what they call that collection, but I think with those, this particular kit will work really well. But again, this one, the Willow Waterstone, is just so beautiful with so many different colors mixing together to form the bead. Again, you see that creamy base. So this one again has that opaque look to it. But at the same time, all of these beads have these patches almost, where it's almost translucent. So when the light hits it, it kind of glows. And so it's not completely opaque, but again, beautiful colors. Also, I think this particular one at least will go with this year's TrollBeads Day bead. I'm forgetting the name. I'm going to put the name down here for you guys, and I think this one will look beautiful with that. And so again, absolutely gorgeous. This one is called the Sage Waterstone, and the next three beads in this collection, in this particular kit, are more of that almost translucent, transparent look to them. So we had three that were kind of more opaque, but then now we get the ones that are kind of see-through and really look like watercolors on glass, or maybe water. If you have like a film of color on top and then there's water rippling at the bottom and the sunlight hits it, that is the look that these beads give me. And so this Sage Waterstone has these different shades of green that are in stripes on it. So it starts with a really light green going darker and then ending at an almost olive green on this side. And then the other side is the more lighter green. So very subtle striping on this one, but again, it's so beautiful. The other two glass beads are also kind of stripy glass beads. The next one is this, and this one is called Hazel Waterstone. And this one has a lot of colors. So you have a light pink, then an orange, then a darker pink, almost purple, and then a green. Beautiful bead. Again, that translucent kind of look to it. So, you know, it's really pretty. As I said, my sun is completely hidden today, but I could not wait to open this package. So I'm filming, but I'll definitely try and insert a clip or a photograph with these in the sun. And so yeah, absolutely stunning. So Hazel Waterstone. And the last one is this one. This is very pink and peach and purples, and this one is called Blush Waterstone. So you have like an almost peachish kind of orangish stripe, and then it goes into a light pink to a light purple. It's absolutely stunning. With my love of pink, you guys know that this one was going to be a favorite. So, and then if you look at it this way, you start with a pink, then go into a peach, then go into this purpley pink, then more of a purple. And yeah, so beautiful, gorgeous bead, beautiful glass kit. And I absolutely love this one, and I cannot wait to design with this. This is a gorgeous release. As I said, guys, I am wanting almost everything, and I'm not even kidding. And so yeah, this is the Waterstones kit from the Carpe Diem collection. And then I did pick up one more glass bead from this collection, and that is this little cutie, and this one is called Frog's Embrace. So this is from the second kit that is part of this collection. The kit's name is Lake Life Kit, and it's a beautiful kit. There are a couple of other beads that I would like to get, but you know, for now, since I did buy that whole kit, I just went with this particular bead, and this one is just so cute. I could not resist it, and it has these cute little glitter frogs on top of the bead. Let me see if I can bring you closer. So here is the bead. You can see the cute little froggies on top, made completely out of gold glitter, and then the eyes are black, and then the base of the bead, you see all these beautiful greens running through it. At the very bottom, I see this almost lime green kind of color, or moss green, I want to say, color at the very core. And then you have these kind of stripes of a darker green and black, and then in each curve of these waves you have this white, almost looks like a lily pad, but it's white with a glass bubble in the center. And then you have these frogs. I think there are 3 frogs on the glass bead, on top of the glass bead, all glitter with these big paws and these cute little buggy eyes. Just a beautiful glass bead. And that is the profile view. So you can see all those greens are at the very core, and then you have the white glass, and then the frogs on the top. So I absolutely could not resist this little cutie, and I just had to have him. And I love the greens in there, and I think this one works really well with a couple of beads from the Waterstones kit as well. Here is Frog's Embrace, and then I have Moss Waterstone on one side and the Sage Waterstone on the other side. And I do think these 3 beads look beautiful together. And there's a bunch of silvers that they released this time as well, but I haven't been able to get any of them yet. But hopefully soon, you know, I'll slowly get those silvers. And there's a lot of frogs in this collection, especially in the silvers, and they're all so cute. So that is what I picked up from the Carpe Diem collection. There's one more thing I picked up, and that's a silver spacer. So I did have a coupon. I had bought something in December, so they sent me a coupon with my order for $20 off. I think it was a $100 purchase, but these new collection items were not eligible for that particular discount. But since I was already spending $100, I could get another thing and apply that coupon to that. And I need more stoppers, so I went with the plain silver stopper and got it almost for free. So that is my order from the newest collection from TrollBeads, Carpe Diem. I absolutely love all these beads. Let me know if you decided to order from this collection, and if you did, let me know what you got. Let me know what your favorite bead was from everything that I showed you today. I would love to know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, guys.